Hey guys, as we move close to the official launch of the Galaxy S24 lineup, we are unsurprisingly see the frequency of the leak and all the details what Samsung planned to show the next Unpacked event. And last 2 weeks ago, we are also see the Galaxy S24 Ultra hands-on image, the leak picture and render of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Overall, the last few weeks have give us a pretty good idea of the what we can expect design-wise from all three models. In the latest leak, we are getting to see the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the flash next to Galaxy S23 Ultra reveal the difference in their design. As the photo show, the overall design is pretty similar and Samsung has made only few changes. The placement of the button and holes will be same but with some changes. The speaker grill at the bottom will be a long single cutout inside of the multiple hole S23 Ultra, and here will be two microphone hold at the top compared to one on the previous generation model, and the power button and volume key will be slightly bigger. Overall phone structure which is using titanium frame will be more boxy with fewer curves than before. Even the display itself will be more flatter. As far as specs are confirmed, the S24 Ultra will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage. The device will be featuring a 6.8-inch QHD Plus LTPO AMOLED display and the peak brightness is 2500 nits. It will be powered by 5000 mAh battery and it supports 45W fast charging and 15W wireless charging. In the camera department, the phone comes with quad camera setup, 200 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens and 50 megapixel 5x periscope telephoto lens. It will be have a 12 megapixel selfie shooter. It will be available in beautiful color. So that's all about today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.